Let's try this Nigeria fried rice together. It's so simple, and before you make this, make sure you have fried some chicken on the side. Okay, let's get started. Into a pot on fire, we'll be going in with our vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. Go in with your curry powder, thyme. Mix these and let it simmer for a few minutes before you introduce your washed rice. Okay, you introduce your washed rice, and then after you do this, what you do next is to add your stock. So your stock, you should have some stock from your chicken or beef or whatever stock you have. Just mix these until everything is well combined. Then you go in with your stock. So you fry it for at least, let's say, 3 minutes. Okay, make sure you stir fry this for about 3 minutes, and then you add your stock, and then you go ahead to introduce your water. Okay, add water so it will help cook it. If your stock is enough, then you don't need any more water. Okay, add some salt to taste, and then let this cook and low heat, and then in few minutes, look at this. Okay, our rice is ready. We'll set this aside and we'll be going ahead to work on our vegetables. Okay, so first you put some oil into a pot, going with some chopped onions, and then you add your vegetables of choice. Okay, you want to have some colors here, play with them. Yeah, vegetables of choice. I use some yellow bell peppers, green bell peppers, and carrots. So I'll stir fry this for some time, and I'll go in with any seasoning of my choice. Okay, you want to add seasoning to this so that it gives you the taste you want. Stir fry this for some time and go in with your already cooked rice, which you set aside from earlier. Put it in it and stir this until everything is well combined and you see it colorful. Go in with some spring onions for more color, and then you stir this and leave it to simmer for few minutes. Okay, make sure you leave it to simmer for few minutes. Stir until everything is well combined. You can as well go in with some chopped sausages which you fried already, or better still, just add gizzard or any beef on the side. And now look at this beauty. Tell me you will not try this. It tastes so good, it's flavorful, and in fact you can eat this without any stew or any chili sauce or whatever. I hope that you found this helpful. Do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and also ask your questions in case you have any. All right, thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.